Most common issue in the
The
printer.
printer first hold blank sheets, pressing menu button and press OK. This is the head.
Any problem you're facing, comment down.
Say out to the moonlight, cause two worlds can make a right. We're just doing what we're feeling right now. So Chardonnay, we can.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? Hope you all fine. So guys, today's video about how to repair a most common issue in a brother printer. Yes guys, is a printhead problem is the most common in a brother printer. So guys, I'm going to show you how to repair this problem. Printer model number is a MFC J430W, and this printer having also aftermarket ink like this same printer. And guys, there are four methods to fix this problem. So guys, first is a normal cleaning. If your printer is not using a 1 week or a 1 month, you can use the first method is a normal head cleaning, and second method is a maintenance mode cleaning. This can be fixed printers not using 6 months or 1 year also. 90% chance printer can repair printhead problem in second method. So let's try second method. And if you use both methods, still your printer is not printing well, you can use the third method is a manual head cleaning. Yes guys, this is a manual head cleaning. A head from printer and put it in down a machine, ultrasound machine, and clean with a IPA or ISO profile alcohol. You can call it. So guys, fourth method is the most expensive guys to buy a new head and replace a new one. So guys, I am going to show all three methods in this video. So guys, watch this video completely, and guys also don't skip any step in this video. And if you are new in the channel, so guys, please subscribe my channel and also like this video if you like. So guys, let's start this video.
So guys, this is a printer. First we test print, nozzle test print. You see, printer printed whole blank sheets. So first try a normal head cleaning mode using this normal setting keypad. So guys, first we try a normal head cleaning mode by pressing menu button. So guys, ink and press OK, and cleaning, press OK, both, all side cleaning. So guys, cleaning is start, wait for 5 minutes and let's try again. So guys, cleaning is complete. Now again we try to test print. Guys, in this cleaning only sign was printed with little bit nozzles. You see, now I have a last option in cleaning mode. Now guys, trying deep cleaning mode by using maintenance mode. First we wait. Printers is now home screen. Now type menu, mono, menu. You see maintenance mode and type 76. You see cleaning all. Now type 0. You see INQEL all. Now press mono button and wait until 5-6 minutes and try again for print. This is a deep cleaning mode. If your printer having original inks or compatible inks, this will 80% chance to fix this blank sheet problem and nozzles problem. So guys, try it and wait. I see cleaning start and machine sounds. So guys, you see deep cleaning mode was not successful in this printer. Guys, I show you both method. First is the normal head cleaning and second is the deep cleaning. But this method is not successful in this printer. So guys, it's need our manual head cleaning. So let's disassemble it.
So guys, first turn off this printer and remove these 3 screws. Unplug these cables. Only 2 cables in panel, you see, and unplug this speaker cable and also unscrew these 3 screws. Now guys, grab this lock and push it up and remove these cover from first panel and right twist this handle on left side and ups this scanner, unlock this lock and also remove this. You see the handle for scanner, and guys also remove this cover. Now unscrew the earth cable, 4 wires of ADF. Remove this cable holder and now I remove this. Unplug the wires, scanner wire gently, and if camera adjusts, right side this locks and upside. You need a flat screwdriver. Remove it. Just put inside and here we go. Now guys, remove screw on that side. This side guys. Now guys, hold this scanner and put it on. Now unscrew both back screws. Guys, rotate it. Just left push and back paper tray will be removed. You see, just push this tray will be removed. So guys, remove whole body. Now this head is locked, you see,
no movement. Now rotate this circle round gear on left side. If this not work, turn on right side. You hear a click sound. Yes, here. And now again is not properly. Now again right side, rotating. Put this head on left side. So guys, remove this cover and also this belt. Now press this white. Guys, press this both white bar and remove this. You see, and unplug this cable gently. Now this is a head. It's not a clean. You need a machine, ultrasound machine. Let's start the cleaning. So guys, this is an ultrasound machine for cleaning. Now also you need IPA thinner. So guys, cleaning is complete. Let's try it using a hairdryer or blower. You can use anything. I'm using a heat blower. So guys, 30 minutes is completed and now installing is head dry. Make sure this encounter strip is properly connected in PCB. So guys, this is the first try. Some is not good enough, so let's try again. You see some rod is still missing. Cleaning again. So guys, second cleaning is done. Now again test print. So guys, only one dot is missing. So guys, power off, remove all of these cables and also paper from this sensor, and guys, remove this. Install this cover. You need to again unlock this head.
Why you hanging on the rooftop by yourself? I have an open invitation, but you're telling me go get lost. I don't wanna see your face. Yeah, what the hell? So why don't we stay out to the morning light? 'Cause two wrongs can make a right. We're just doing what we're feeling right now. So Chardonnay, we camp in the parking lot. Chases our plastic cups. We're just doing what we're feeling right now. So what the hell? Why you hanging on the rooftop by yourself? Always waiting for the one, but I got news for you. I'm the best that you can get. So what the hell?
So guys, it's now perfect ready.
Pretending that you like somebody else, like you got boys waiting in line to take you home. But tell the truth, you were spending it alone. Let's be alone. So why don't we stay out to the morning light? 'Cause two wrongs can make a right. We're just doing what we're feeling right now. So what the hell? Why you hanging on the rooftop by yourself? Always waiting for.
So that's it guys, I show you how to repair a Brother printer print head. So guys, and guys, if you any problem, comment down, I reply your comment. And guys, I'm making a playlist in my channel covering all of Brother printer print head problems, all of models. So guys, subscribe my channel. And guys, so yeah, this is a video. And guys, so yeah guys, this is Shivan Sharma signing off. Till then, wait for the new video and with a new problem and with a new solution guys. Take care, goodbye, and peace out.